Breaking apart!
Help! Help! Someone help!
Let me help you. You two look terrible. Come with me. Don't worry. I'll take care of it quickly. Let's clean your hair first. Look at your clothes, dirty and torn.
Okay.
I'll fix that. All done. The clothes are clean now. It still doesn't look quite right. I think your outfits need a bit more color. Hold on, it'll be done super fast.
Okay. Wow!
Look at this rainbow wedding outfits. That dress looks perfect on you. Let's tweak your hair color to match the outfit. Anyone know what this blender is for? Exactly. We're using natural colors from fruits. Alright, that's done. Now we'll need a few more tools. Let's check what's inside this secret skincare bag. So many useful items. Time to continue changing Rumi and Jinu's hair color. Pour the mixture out and apply it evenly. Let it sit for a moment while the color develops.
Okay.
Wow!
Interesting. Now, onto the face. Trim the eyebrows slightly. Apply the face mask. Eye masks and lip masks are a must. Both of you need them. Wait just a bit longer.
Okay.
Finish with a facial massage. Perfect. You both look incredible.